This is a video about ExpressLRS, LoRa modulation, and how the spectrum looks after you change the power output of your RadioMaster TX15. After you go to System, Apps, ExpressLRS, and you have the option TX Power, which goes from 10 to 1000 milliwatts. So maximum 1 watt for this TX15 RadioMaster. What you see now on the spectrum, it's the color of the bursts. It's changing from green to red. So just a quick note about the technical background. ExpressLRS uses LoRa modulation, chirp spread spectrum, plus frequency hopping. That means it doesn't look like a narrow carrier on a spectrum analyzer. Instead, each packet shows up as a short burst that's few hundred kilohertz wide, and it keeps jumping across frequencies. On an SDR waterfall, you'll see little white dashes moving left and right as it hops. Wi-Fi in comparison, it's a stable 20 MHz block, so it's easy to tell them apart. If you switch ExpressLRS L rate higher, you'll see more bursts per second. Same signature, just denser. Thanks for watching, bye.